Hello, welcome back to my video blog. Today we're going to be discussing, as a seller, when you're in escrow to sell your house, what would you do and what are your options when the appraised value of the house comes in lower than the purchase price? So, as a seller, when you are in an escrow and the appraised value of your house comes in lower than the sales price. And the main reason for that is because the market in Las Vegas has been appreciating. And appraisers do not take the low supply and the high demand and the appreciation into consideration when they're appraising a house. They only look at the past sales and the most recent sales within the area. So as a seller, you have three options. Number one, we ask the buyer to come up with the difference out of pocket in cash. That would be ideal situation as a seller to keep the deal together and net the same amount of money that you were expecting from the beginning. Number two, which is not the best case scenario, however, is for the seller to lower the sales price to appraised value. You will net less money. However, in a lot of cases, to keep the deal together, and if you're really motivated to sell and move, that's the best scenario and that's the best solution to move forward. And number three, of course, we can renegotiate the whole deal, is maybe meet the buyer halfway, have the buyer come up with some of the cash in the difference, and the seller would go down a little bit. Or if the seller was offering the buyer closing costs, we can renegotiate that as well, where you would not, as a seller, pay the buyer's closing costs. Therefore, you would still net more money, even though the sales price is low. If you are thinking about selling your house and would you like to know how much your house is worth in today's market, give me a call directly or email me. Mike Tchobanian, Vegas Capital Realty.